Wait, Tana. Come on. Let's go to the lake. So pretty. Tana, it was a walk. Yeah, throw another one. Come on. Don't get me wet, okay? If only if every day could be like this. It is just so nice. Can I see that on here? It's a water towel. I can't see that. I can see it on the screen, but I can't see it in... I don't know. This is my grandma's art studio. She's a really, really good artist. It's very nice to just hang around here when it's all peace and quiet, which is always peace and quiet. That's the dogs are walking, but when one of those days come and it's just very calm out and nice weather, smooth cold air, that's when I come out. So I'm basically planning for a big event. A really big event that I'm going to be doing on my birthday in last moon. What I'm going to try to do is to get as many medals as I can. Then on the date of my birthday, that is when I'm going to give lots and lots of gifts out to everybody. And maybe one day I'll get something in return, I don't know. But yeah, you guys don't have to give me anything back. It's completely fine. I just like to be giftful and help people. What is with the clouds? That I've never seen that, but that is rain. Huh. Nonsense, that can't be rain. There'll be like foggy stuff over there. Oh, that is rain. That is amazing. It's like watching Lion King. But yeah, it's a big event that I am planning. A really big event. And yeah, I should have started 4 months ago because getting all these medals are going to be hard. Because killing mobs, praising the crap out of deers and stuff, it's going to be crazy, but yeah, I'm going to try to do it. On Titana. He means yes, I guess. But yeah, pretty much why I made those mods and stuff and those Failhot mods is that I wanted people to have a better experience of Failhot and enjoy Failhot even better. But then, well, then the mod stepped in. Then, well, yeah. It turns out that I'm not allowed to actually edit the game files. Well, that's true because I'm not like one of the developers or anything. But one thing that I can edit is the FH maps. You know, I mean not edit the regular maps. I mean like, I meant to say create. But that's something I can definitely do, is create really cool maps for people. Like if they wanted a map to where like there was an animation of a treadmill moving, or if they wanted a whole YouTube video in the map, I'll do that for them. It may take me 5 or 6 days to do, but I don't care. I'm doing it. Yeah. So what I'm going to try to do is to actually be on Last Moon as much as possible for the last, November and December. But hopefully we don't go on vacation, because I think my dad was talking about going to Alaska or something like that. And if we go to Alaska in December, I won't be able to host my big event. And this is just really worrying me. Unless if I get a laptop with Wi-Fi, then that would be perfect. Then I can definitely help them out. Definitely. How long have we been walking? So yeah, I try to meet as much people as I can. Hey, but one thing I have tried is I tried meeting as much people as I can in FH. Not worth it. Basically, FH is full of some trolls and stuff sometimes, but I have a good feeling that they're banning some of those trolls. I'm not really too sure what's going on. I'm not really comfortable talking about that stuff because, I don't want to get banned myself. Surprised I'm not actually already banned, but they just give me one last chance, and I haven't done anything since, and I don't want to do anything bad. So now I got that on my chest. Oh, that took a lot of guts to say, but yes, anyway. Yeah. But the reason why this is going to be a big event for me and everything is because I'm turning 18. I'm going to be an adult. December 26th, Joshtiger turns to an adult. Even though I don't act like an adult, I know. Hey, don't worry about it. I mean, I act like a 15-year-old and 14-year-old and stuff. Yeah. Hey, Turner. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, it's getting... Whoa, cold front. Whoa, major cold front. Guys, do you feel this? Oh, wait, wait, what? This camera can only record video and sound, not feeling. Recording feeling. That would be like the future. Or maybe they're already inventing it. I don't know. Actually, no. If someone dropped the camera, it would cause major pain for the people that are watching it. Okay.